Hey y'all, welcome back to another wash day with me. I know it's been a minute, but let's get into this wash day. So, I'm gonna start with my ORS Max Moisture shampoo. That's a shampoo that I reviewed on this channel. I reviewed the entire line actually. I'm just finishing up some products in this wash day video. So, that shampoo is something that I use as well as their deep conditioning treatment. I am going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections per usual and then split those up into 2 sections each and deep condition my hair. How have you guys been? I have gotten some new subscribers from my YouTube shorts. I haven't been posting a lot of long form content, but you guys for sure can catch me on YouTube shorts. I am trying to go ahead and post some more long form content. Bear with me, y'all. Twin mommy life has been taking me to hell, but I'm trying to make time. No more excuses. I'm trying to make time. But yeah, you guys, if you're not new, know my usual wash day shenanigans. We gotta get all sections of our hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes with this and be right back to go ahead and style my hair. We're using some new products today, so I'm trying this a Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner with AG Care coil. It's like a gel cream, so it's gonna go over top of the leave-in conditioner. The Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner is something that I really love, so I decided to use that with the curl activator. That's the first time I'm trying this particular curl activator. First time I'm trying anything from that brand actually. Not gonna lie, she's a little bit expensive, so yeah, do with that information what you will. But I do like to finger rake my curls and then go in small sections. After I finger rake my curls, I went in with the on brush to get some more definition, and then I repeated the same steps through all 4 sections of my hair. And I sincerely apologize if y'all could still hear my kids in the background. I am hiding out in my closet to do this voiceover, okay? That's dedication. I'm hiding in my closet to do this voiceover, and these kids would not let me be great. So, after I've gone through my entire head with styling, I went under the hooded dryer for like 2.5 seconds. Quite literally, no, I'm lying. It's 10 minutes. I went under the hooded dryer for 10 minutes and then I had to let my hair air dry because I had to go to work. So, yeah, that's what happened with the dryer. I don't think I was under there for however long. So in the front section of my hair, I have to give that some extra love and definition because that's where my 4C curls are. And before y'all come for me, but girl, where are your 4C curls? Right there in the front, just around the first inch, the perimeter of my head, that's where my 4C texture is, and I have to give her some extra love. But this is what it's looking like so far. I love this so far. I want to see how it dries down, and you guys tell me. I'm going to show you my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and their gel combo versus this brand of the curl cream and the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner combo, and y'all tell me which one y'all prefer. But yeah, this is me under the dryer for my 2 seconds, like I told y'all. And then we're back the following day. And this is how the curls came out. Now, it had a little bit of a cast. If I used any more of that curl cream, I would have had a super heavy cast. But I wasn't. I was mad at the cast the first day because it was just like my hair wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. But I used some oil to scrunch out the crunch and break it up. But by day 2, I was liking it. So this is my hair day 1. She was like, she had a little bit of a cast type of thing. And then I'm gonna show you guys my hair day 3 is when I really started loving the wash and go. I needed a refresh by day 4, which is good. With the Shea Moisture combo that I use, I needed a refresh by day 3. So this is my Shea Moisture combo, And then this is the one that I just did. Tell me which one y'all prefer. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.